The terrifying creature devoured livestock and even preyed on women and children. The villagers hunted it down and killed it, and for some reason, they believed it was the mayor who had come back from the dead as a werewolf. They dressed the dead creature in a flesh-colored suit that looked like human skin, and added a brown wig and a long white beard. To finish it off, they cut off its snout, replacing it with a mask that looked like the mayor. And just to be sure the creature was dead, they hanged it in a public trial.